Yo guys, here's April 16th trade recap. I lost the trade, so let's go over it. This was on British pound, British pound, Japanese yen. So daily was still bullish. 4 hour was bullish when market opened because we hadn't broke structure to the downside yet. And 1 hour was still technically bullish because we also hadn't broke structure to the downside. So I was thinking we were just like gonna tap into London liquidity and then get a big move up. So I went to 5 minute. We tapped into it, broke structure. I entered and got stopped out because today was a massive daily retracement and 1 hour broke structure to the downside. And now look, we're finally getting a reaction off this 4 hour and 1 hour fair value gap. So I could have improved a ton if I waited for a 5 minute fair value gap to get formed and a 1 minute retrace into it. That would have been a lot better. Thank you guys for watching. Short video. Peace.